The 2026 Kenworth Motor Home feels like a bold declaration that luxury and raw trucking power can coexist in a single vehicle. From the moment you approach it, the sheer scale is arresting. This isn't just an RV, but rather a mansion on a commercial-grade chassis. Kenworth's reputation for rugged, reliable trucks underpins the build, granting the motorhome a sense of unshakable durability. The exterior carries the heavy-duty styling of its lineage, with aerodynamic updates like a redesigned hood, refined roof fairings, and underbody panels that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the motorhome boasts a choice of serious powertrains. Depending on configuration, buyers can opt for the PACCAR Mix-13, the Cummins X15, capable of producing up to 605 horsepower, or even a more fuel-efficient MX-11. This variety gives it both long-haul muscle and flexibility. Whether towing, navigating mountain roads, or cruising on highways, it has options to match. Transmission-wise, there's also a selection spanning automated shifts to traditional manual or Allison automatics. Despite its trucking pedigree, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome's cab is surprisingly refined. Noise insulation, reduced vibration, and high-end ergonomic finishes make it comfortable for long stints behind the wheel. The seating is plush, with air ride and weight adjustment, and there's a modern dash with digital readouts that keep you fully informed of diagnostics, fuel efficiency, and driving metrics. Safety feels like a top priority. The motorhome can be outfitted with advanced systems like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 360 degrees camera coverage. These are not mere niceties but essential in a vehicle of such size, giving a driver more control and awareness in tight or challenging driving conditions. Inside the living quarters, Kenworth partners with conversion specialists, for example, RE Legacy Sleepers, to create a highly customizable, high-luxury interior. The layout can include a full kitchen with induction cooktop, solid-surface countertops, and top-tier appliances. There's space for a large UHD TV, thoughtful LED lighting, and storage designed for long trips. The water system supports dual freshwater tanks, signaling that this rig is made for serious road endurance. The sleeping arrangement is generous, offering a queen bed plus a convertible sofa, meaning up to 4 people can sleep comfortably. Storage, too, is handled adeptly. External lockers, roof racks, and rear compartments make it practical for travelers who carry a lot of gear or want to live on the road full-time. On the energy front, the motorhome is forward-thinking. It supports a 20 kWh lithium battery, paired with solar panels up to 2000 W and MPPT charge controllers. This system enables a level of off-grid autonomy that many RV users crave, especially for boondocking or extended stays without shore power. The bathroom is anything but functional only, it's refined. The design includes a full wet bath with sliding glass doors, a quality shower, and a macerating toilet with push-button flush. These touches push the motorhome into home, not just travel, territory. Driving dynamics are surprisingly nimble for something so large. The aerodynamic bodywork helps, and the powertrain options give you enough torque to climb steep terrain without feeling overtaxed. Given the size, maneuverability is decent. The 360 degrees cameras significantly help when navigating tight spaces or backing up. Fuel economy is improved compared to older, less aerodynamic big rigs, thanks to the streamlined design and efficiency-focused powertrain options. That said, running such a large, heavy vehicle will never be cheap. Fuel consumption remains a real consideration, especially for frequent long-distance travel. One of the most compelling things about the Kenworth Motorhome is its build quality. Using a commercial truck chassis gives it a level of robustness that many purpose-built RV chassis can't match. High-strength steel, well-engineered suspension, and top-tier materials all contribute to a vehicle that feels built to last. Cost-wise, this is not an entry-level RV. Though exact MSRP depends heavily on customization, some sources reference a $500,000 ballpark for the high-end builds. That investment reflects the fact that you're essentially buying a chassis built for long-haul trucking plus a luxury residence. On the downside, this is a big rig, not a van or small Class C, so it's limited in where it can park. Campgrounds with tight turns, narrow roads, or strict size limits may be off-limits. The maintenance burden is likely higher too, given commercial-grade components and systems. The conversion customization means that pricing and spec can vary dramatically depending on buyer choices. That flexibility is a plus, but it also means you need a clear vision and possibly a high budget to get what you truly want. Plus, outfitting with all the bells and whistles, energy systems, high-end cabinetry, advanced safety, will add up. In sum, the 2026 Kenworth Motor Home is a remarkable fusion of commercial truck resilience and upscale RV luxury. It's designed for someone who wants a true home on wheels, someone who may travel full-time or tour extensively, and who values both durability and style. It's not for the casual weekend camper, but for the right buyer, it's a statement piece that marries brute force with refined living.